morning, everyone. Well, today I'm going to work on a welding table I'm going to give to this friend of mine. All this extra metal that I purchased, this tractor carts. I'm making a cart that's got the top or the bottom laid out here. Let's see, I've got it 34, right at 34 and 3/8 inches long, and I think I've got them 16 inches, yeah, a little over 16 inches wide is what I've got here. So, and then I'm gonna, got my legs cut. My legs are gonna be, what are they, 28 and 3/4 inches long. So I'm gonna weld this up, stick my legs in here, weld that up, and then I've got another, I'm going to have the top is going to be the same as the bottom here, and just weld it on top of the legs, and then I'll put some cut some more metal to go across the top. Yeah, we're level there, and let's check the level this way, and I can go this way just a touch right there. So now we're level, so I'll go ahead and tack this up and go from there. The frame welded up, got the it fit in there just like a glove. It's level. So this is the bottom here, and I'll put some wheels on it. I got 4-inch wheels that'll fit down here on the bottom. Take these pieces of metal, cut them to length, and then evenly space them across the top here, and that'll give him a slotted welding table that he can work off of. Slats cut, so now I tack them on here, and then I'm going to take and got to buy a straight piece of metal and put on the end of it just all the way across. And I've got to grind that end down a little bit. So anyway, we'll get started here tacking these on here. There she is. Hated to have to put these little pieces on the end, but I mean, that's the only way I could keep them from, if they come loose, sliding off. But I got this all on there pretty nice. So this should do him pretty well. So we'll see how he likes it. That's his little Christmas gift, so hopefully he'll like it and use it. All right, hope you got something out of that. I mean, my welding is still improving. It isn't the best yet, but I mean, I'm getting there. I can weld stuff together and it holds. So anyway, thanks for watching, and let's get out and do something.